Hi. Thanks for tuning in to Anything Everything YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be exploring the bustling rush hour of New York City. Before we proceed, I would like you to please click the subscribe and the notification button so you will get notified each time we post a new video. Rush hour in New York City refers to the period of time during the morning and evening when there is a significant increase in traffic on the roads, public transportation, and foot traffic on the sidewalks. On a sunny day, rush hour typically starts around 7 o'clock or 8 a.m. and lasts until around 9 o'clock or 10 a.m. The evening rush hour usually starts around 4 o'clock or 5 p.m. and lasts until 7 o'clock or 8 p.m. During rush hour, the streets and sidewalks are usually crowded with commuters trying to get to work or home. When it rains in New York City, rush hour traffic can be even more challenging. The streets become slick and more hazardous for drivers, which can cause traffic to slow down or even come to a halt. Additionally, many commuters may choose to take public transportation instead of driving, leading to even more crowding on trains and buses. New York City is known for its fast-paced lifestyle, and rush hour is a prime example of this. Many New Yorkers have hectic schedules and tight deadlines, so they often rush through the streets to get to their destinations on time. The city's subway system is a vital part of this lifestyle, as it allows commuters to move quickly and efficiently through the city. In terms of lifestyle, New Yorkers are known for their fast-paced and busy lives. They are often focused on their careers and work long hours, which can make rush hour particularly stressful. However, the city is also known for its vibrant cultural scene and diverse neighborhoods, which offer opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment outside of work hours. Overall, rush hour in New York City is a reflection of the city's fast-paced lifestyle and the constant hustle and bustle of its residents. This is all for today's video, and I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. We look to bringing you more exciting information and videos in the future. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button to avoid missing out on any of our new videos.